Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look at new move and copy experience in Microsoft 365 portal. This new feature was just delivered by Microsoft and it looks very nice. So let's take a look. First let's go to the office.com portal. I already did it. And check in OneDrive how we can copy and move data and what now we can do with this new feature. So let me just open my OneDrive. And for example, I'm going to copy some data, some files to different locations. So I just mark these 3 files and I can just on the upper menu check mark the move to or copy to. I'm going to copy to. The same we can just take using the right click on the mouse and move or copy on, just click three dots. So I'm going to copy this data. Let's click copy and see what happened, and new window just open. And what we can see here on the left, my files, this is my OneDrive. Quick access, project queue, this is SharePoint library, project team. This is my team that has been created in MS Teams, project X and email attachment. This is also on the SharePoint. So from this perspective, I can just choose one of the SharePoint, one of the Teams group when I'm going to copy the folder. Let me just choose the project queue and I see here what folder are available inside the project queue, but I'm going to create new one. So on the right upper menu I just can choose new folder and let's provide some example name, test. It would be great. And test folder has been created. I'm going to open this folder and copy data here. And it's done. I see that the file is copying now. All file has been copied. Okay, let's switch to the SharePoint and see if we have the same menu and the same feature. I'm going to open project, for example. Documents library. As you can see, the test folder has been created and inside there are 3 files that I just copy here. Let's imagine that I'm going to move it to my OneDrive. Okay, let's mark, choose the option move to, and I'm going to move to my files. And I'm going to create also the new folder. Let's see what else is available for us. We can choose the view, list, compact list, tiles, compact list. Okay, will be the smaller one, and tiles will be the big icon. Okay, the list is great for me. Let's create new folder in OneDrive. New folder in OneDrive. Okay. Folder. Okay, just create the new one. Open the folder and move data. And that's it. Data has been moved. Let's come back to my OneDrive and see what happened. Yeah, the new folder has been created and inside there are files that I just move. So move and copy option now looks very great. From this perspective, I can choose in a very quick way every SharePoint that I have access or I own to, or move to Teams group, for example. So copy and move data between OneDrive, SharePoint and MS Teams groups is very nice and very quick. Now, thank you for watching and see you in the next movie.